Number 2, BJ Johnson. And at center from Ilocos Norte, number 1, Kai Balongay. Second overall of the 2013 rookie draft, the silent assassin wearing jersey number 10, Ian Sagalang.
Kontra dito kay KJ Buffin nila LA Tenorio, ni Coach LA Tenorio. Ball is up and in play. And it is Balongay winning the tip para dito sa Phoenix. Unang nagtapat last conference ni Coach Charles at Coach LA. It was Charles Chu and Phoenix getting the victory over LA Tenorio and Magnolia. That was a 3-point win. Coach Ronnie, 101-98.
Ibig sabihin, maaga pa yun. Oo naman.
Di ba?
Yes.
Grabe rin maglaro yun.
Mga kanina mo magsitalon.
Tyler Tio, bagong renew ang kontrata. Down low, Sanggalang. Back in his familiar starting spot. Will get it for himself.
Look at that last matchup. The returning Kai Balungay. Attacked underneath.
Nung nakaraang Commissioner's Cup kasi, si...
Kuha ka muna ng hiatus, ika nga. Tapos pag maliwanag na yung pag-iisip, pwede na ulit maglaro.
Ginawa rin ni Perkins nung araw yan Kita mo naman, he is back with a vengeance. Ever since this guy came back to the game, he's been solid.
No doubt. Continues to be the face of the franchise, the backbone, the coach, Charles Chu.
Yun yung iniisip dati. Basta atleta, if you're gifted, keep playing, keep playing.
Tennis.
Yan, di ba?
Pagka... Pati si Iga Swiatek na yun, nakakaramdam niya. Double elimination, double round elimination sa ating makikita sa dalawang groups.
Oh, nice pitch down low. What a bullet!
Sa tres. At may premium yung kanyang mga tikada doon sa loob.
Alam mo, isa pang interesting sidelight dito sa laban na to. Kaya si Zave Lucero, isa pa lang, parang isang lang. But Zave Lucero is now part of the five. Ang lalim na tres nito. Rocky Gomez de Leaño. Buffin ends it up. Lastimosa on the move. Buffin chased off that three-point line. He drives in. Buffin off the glass. Pagiging gigil niya sa depensa resulted in 3 fouls in less than 5 minutes. Lucero takes off and takes care of the layup.
Nobody home sa weak side para tumulong. Nobody rotating. And again, anytime you defend Lastimosa's ball-skin offense, you always have to be ready.
Kenneth Duffin inside, flips it up and in.
Wow. Showing us that he has also worked on his post game. Had a breakout confidence sa Commissioner's Cup.
The Phil Kiwi. New Zealand yan, Naglaro pa ng professional yan during the pandemic back in New Zealand. After playing some time in FEU. Big block there. But Sanggalang is back on the floor trying to clean it up. Misses on that one though. So Sanggalang Lucero na ngayon ang front court dahil nga foul trouble ang import.
Dalawang gigante.
Tio over to Johnson. Nice flyby, pull up, off the dribble.
Coach Charles Chu called it specifically. He is a scorer who made range conversions, gives Phoenix another 2-point lead.
Lastimosa sa kabila from that right wing. Pitches it out. Lucero had a layup moments ago. This time he gives it up. He wants to post up. Ibantay niya kasi si Tio. He shoots over. Zave misses. Balongay pulls it down.
Ramdam mo agad yung presence ni Kai Balungay.
BJ gustong paramdam yung kanyang bilis but he loses it. Lastimosa papasabit pa sana.
At least 2 turnovers para dito sa teal shirts.
Uh-oh. Defense caught napping. Ganda ng bawi ng Phoenix. Yan. Hanapin ko ulit yan. Modern day Ironman yan. Playing for the former... Lastimosa. Dipsy do.
Crafty. Clever. Ball screen master attacking corner.
Rivero over at the other end. Babawi. Di makuha. Balongay. Huli from behind ni Andrada.
Matibay pa rin ang patangkad ng frontline ng Magnolia.
Play of the half natin to. Nahatid sa atin ng Sports Plus. Coach LA Tenorio sinasabi, out of shooting na raw yun. Referee's not biting. Lastimosa looking around. Bounces it over to Lucero. The scoop is good. May kasama pang foul.
Perfect execution. This one. Good pass. Perfect bounce pass issued. Itong si Jerome Lastimosa.
Baroka in front of De Los Santos. Yukin. Looking for the open man. Shot clock at 5. Scoop ni Baroka is good. Andrada. 5 to shoot. Lucero tries again. This time he buries the 3.
Such a gifted athlete itong si Lucero talaga. Loob, labas, transition, kaya niya. Even without the reinforcement, lamang sila ng 7, 2-possession edge at this point.
Johnson to Rivero. They go down low. Nice placement on the part of Richie. Saktong-sakto.
Again, you cannot overemphasize the value of an inside game.
Walang New Zealand, walang Australia dyan. Tayo-tayo lang yan.
May laman, teammate.
Perkins with another and one opportunity.
Correct spacing. Another good delivery. Outside, inside offense.
He's having a big first quarter here, Coach.
Right? Both ways.
But Magnolia playing minus their import, still up by 6. Perkins from deep. Punches it through.
He's in a very good flow. 14 of the 26 from the former Archer. Inside and outside for Jason Perkins.
Andrade to Lucero. Paulie trying to tell him to get them into their set. Now he gets his hands on it. Lee against Perk. Lost his dribble though. 4 to shoot. Andrade's got to take it. The rookie buries it. Looking at Buffin. Dalawa kagad ang bantay. Neto ni KJ. Takes the shot anyway. Doon pala sa kanto yun. Alfaro lights it up.
That pass was meant for Topia, but Alfaro willingly catching and shooting and scoring a 3-pointer.
Lahat tayo nagulat eh. Ay, may tao pala sa dulo.
May solusyon na rito yung Phoenix dun sa empty corner ballskin offense. Sinuswitch na nila. Kanya lang, nakatawid yung pasa eh.
Perkins trying to pick up where he left off.
5 against 4 sequence.
Buffin didn't want to release. He gets it down low to Hobia. Reverse is good.
Ang veterano. Minsan sa lakad pa lang, mararamdaman mo mas may kumpiyansa eh. Another good assist coming from Buffin.
Salamat, Miss Apple. Hopefully we continue to see him healthy on the floor. Kuhn dives in. The floater is good. Kuhn getting it to Sangalang. Ian against Justin Chua. Shake it big.
Meanwhile on the other side, inside, outside, scoring happening para dito sa Magnolia. Na ngayon ay lamang na ng 16. 2 points pa lang para dito sa team ng Phoenix sa second quarter, by the way. Na si Deliano dun sa deep right corner.
Johnson for 3.
Oh.
Punches it through.
They need that more than ever.
Gusto niya ng pick, sabi ni Ian. Di, bagsak mo na, diretso na. Sanggalang to Lastimosa. That's a 3.
My. Inside, outside game. Sanggalang did not force the issue. Drew the defense. And then issued that nice kick-out pass dito kay Lastimosa.
Balik sa 11 ang abante ng Magnolia. Offensive rebound para dito sa teal shirts. Chua with a turnaround jumper. Chua keeping Phoenix within 9, 47-38 with just over 4 minutes remaining.
Mahirap na, baka matawagan ng pang-apat eh.
Johnson trying to get away from save. Johnson
There you go.
between the eyes.
17 for Johnson, 8 in the first 9 here in quarter number 2.
This guy's all business. You like it. He just runs right back on D, Coach Ronnie.
But they need also local help here, local support.
Si Richie hindi pa nangangalampag kaya hindi mo na ginagamit ni Coach Charles. Nice power move on the part of Sangalang. He's got Gomez Deliano in front. Richie to the sidestep. Out to Perk. Free ball is good. Taken away by Johnson. Under a minute now remaining in the second quarter. BJ to the cup. And one opportunity.
He has a total of 11 second quarter points. Tama ba yan, kuya? 19 points.
4 segundo na titira sa ating first half. Lastimosa, Hesi kicks it out. Javi for 3. No go. Sangalang with a rebound and the putback. Dio to Johnson. He's got to take it. BJ makes it.
of a broken play. Shot clock winding down against a smaller defender. There you go.
Clearly, as both teams come up with a miss on their opening attacks. Tio, extra pass to Rivero. They really want to get Richie going.
And that's the secondary offense. Nothing on the primary. Tio with the ball reversal. Rivero waltzing his way inside. Signature move coming from the former Archer.
This now is a 27-5 run, bridging the second and third quarters. 40-28 nung tumambak ng 16 ang Magnolia. Another stop by Phoenix. Tio back to Richie. Johnson for the lead. Bam!
A pass coming off a shot.
Masyadong maraming isolation ng first half. Alexander.
Direk Rafi, abangan namin yung replay ni Apo na.
Lastimosa finally answering the call here. Pagkatapos magpakawala ang Phoenix ng isang magandang simula dito sa ating third.
57-56, Phoenix by 1. Tio looking around. Gets it right back from Perk. Tio straight away. Punches it through.
2 points in the first quarter.
59-56, Phoenix by 3. Inside, etong si Buffin couldn't buy that bucket. Buffin against Perkins. Perkins stopped him on his tracks. Lucero had to get creative.
We started the quarter 53-49. Nearly 4 minutes gone. 12 for Phoenix. 5 points so far for the Hot Shots.
3 ball is good. Buffin, double, triple team, loses it. Perkins over to Johnson, puts it up. Kai throws it down.
And that's a highlight reel. Again, thumbprint of Tyler Tio all over that last play. Picking the pocket of a hot shot en route to that eye-in-the-sky play.
Lastimosa over to Buffin. Gets the layup.
As well para dito sa Phoenix.
Chua will check back in para naman dito. And now he's gotten thicker, as you mentioned.
Yes, at ang importante, healthy siya. At fit.
63-62, Phoenix by 1. Coming up on the halfway mark ng ating third quarter. Another steal. Johnson takes off.
Yung depensa sa loob. And Johnson showing us that he can also play hard-nosed defense.
Hinahanapan nila ng angulo. Justin with 2 guys collapsing on him. Got it over to Johnson. Balongay on the other side. Foul away.
Ando naman ang effort.
J.L. De Los Santos rattles on the 3.
What about Johnson?
70-62, Phoenix turning this game on its head. Baroka getting it to Lucero for the jam. Pampagising, coach.
Then again,
Kasama si Lucero and De La Rosa. Such a small lineup now para sa Magnolia. You know they want to speed things up. Lee on the baseline. Off the window. Gets the basket. Make a salabang foul.
told you, inside, they find ways to help out the team. Look at that maneuver by Paul Lee. My. Suddenly they're back.
Baroka on the run. Over to Lee. On the move. The lethal weapon going to work. De La Rosa will get them into their set. He's got J.L. De Los Santos in front. De La Rosa looking to pound it in. Lenny Johnson. Or make that Perkins sa dulo. Johnson in the open court. Johnson yata yan!
Tumatagan. At sabi nga natin, without Richie Rivero, it's Johnson fueling the fast break scoring para dito sa teal shirts.
34 para kay PJ Johnson.
Parang commercial na ito.
Sangalang against Johnson. Double team. Alfaro from the outside. Doesn't work. Ooh, Johnson lost his footing. Sangalang trying to capitalize on it. And Ian gets the job done. Ito, alanganin, tigam yung tuhod, oh. Rico.
Mga hindi lang.
JL inside to Bryant. And Santos comes up with the reverse.
49 tayo nagsimula dito sa quarter na ito.
Beautiful, unselfish play on the part of Phoenix there. Tuffin will set this one up properly. They want Perkins to pound it in. And Perks got 19 points. Pwede pang 20.
First field goal since the first half. Itong si Andrada, nobody helping out underneath. Hitting to an easy basket.
Ni Perkins yan. Perk on top of Ian.
4 straight points to open up the fourth. Biggest lead para dito sa Phoenix. 12, courtesy of Perkins.
Daming shooter na ito Magnolia. Kahit si Andrada may tira rin sa labasan. But
Totoo yan.
kung well scouted hindi sila makakita ng buwang. Lee on the move, trying to slither his way through, loses control. JL gives chase, leaves it for Santos. Dapat gagawing isa na lang yan pero hindi pumayag yung mga coach. Gusto ng mga coach, pagkatama kami, may isa ka tama. Yun ang tumatama. Tyler Teo with 3.
Double block eye para dito sa Magnolia.
17 na to, coach.
Oo, 79-71. Simula ng ating fourth. 10 puntos na para sa Phoenix. Isa pa lamang para sa Magnolia. No field goal yet.
Aray mo. Buffin with a two-handed throwdown. This one, sinigurado niya.
A fourth quarter uprising, a rear cut.
Johnson pushes. Rifles into Santos. Here it comes. Di umabra. Lastimosa going the other way. Andrada free on the left. He goes to the right. And Lucero made sure of the layup. That is not part of it. Again, FIBA rules na po tayo. Hindi lahat na challenge. Knockout play para sa Phoenix.
First basket by Rivero. A knockout play. Stops a 4-point run by Magnolia. Restores a 14-point lead. Bigat. Timing yung pagpasok.
Kuhn lines it up. No. It stays on that side. Lastimosa puts it up. Lucero throws it down.
Unti-unting bumubuelo rito ang Magnolia. Cross match.
Balungay ang katapat. Jumps a pass over to save. Down the middle. Lucero scores again. Lastimosa looking to make it happen. Mga paboritong pagkakataon ni Jerome yan. He takes on Perk. Lastimosa to the cup.
Crossing over Perkins just like that.
Parang yan yung dulo ng ending sa Meralco in the playoffs. Lastimosa taking over.
Attacking the switch defense. Cutting the lead to single digit.
2:35 natitira dito sa Montalbana. Johnson looks around.
Guarded by Lastimosa.
7 to shoot. Tyler from deep. Punches it through. Now Perkins switches over. Lastimosa off the twirl. Puts it up and in. 95-85. You got to start thinking quotient as well for both sides.
Wow.
What a move coming from Perk.
Ngayon, balik-ulit sa kalamangan. Napakahirap na abulin at burahin.
But at this point, di pa tapos ang bilangan.
Balungay helped out Phoenix tonight in
Oo. Welcome return para kay Kai Balungay. It's a big win para sa Phoenix, 98-86.